Complete the table of values to find the following. Find the number of cups of sugar needed. If for each pie Carrie makes, she has to use 3 cups of sugar. So for 1 pie, she needs 3 cups of sugar. But for 2 pies, she's going to need twice as much. For 3 pies, she's going to need triple. For 4 pies, she's going to need 12 cups. Go ahead and finish these last 2 on your own. And over here, what we're going to do is we're going to graph these points. So for 1 pie, she needs 3 cups of sugar, which is this point right here. 1, 3. We go over to 1 and we count up 3 spots. Then we're going to go over to 2 for 2 pies. And we're going to count up 6 spots for the 6 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're going to put our point there. Then for 3 pies, we're going to count up 9 spots and put our point. For 4 pies, we're going to count up to 12. For 5 and 6 pies, you are going to fill in those, so make sure you add those 2 points as well. So for 5 and 6, you got to do those 2, and you got to do these 2 boxes on your own. Then over here, we're going to create the double number line. So for 1 pie, she needed 3 cups of sugar. For 2 pies, she needed 6. 3 pies, she needed 9. 4 pies, she needed 12. And then you're going to fill in those 2, just like you did on the graph and in the chart.